Alright, so here's my live solve for Bake It Off. Yeah, so I created a folder for this, and yeah, so I'm gonna start live solving it. Uh, yeah, so ba Bake It Off. Taylor Swift plans on releasing her new hit song. However, Andy accidentally bumps into her in the restroom, causing her blah yada yada yada. With her deafness in Java, she created a string of what she believes is strong, but gets certain confused. Help Andy, help Taylor, help Albert. Okay, so just some certain actions here that you need to do. Okay, so what does it say? What is 48? 48 is, I guess, how much words there are. Yeah, number of words, and then okay, so the first thing I see is that I need to do a split function. So unfortunately C++ does not have a split function, so I'm gonna have to manually program one. So I guess it's just like so we need results like the total string, and we also need the delin, right? And then oh shoot. So for each step, let's think about this before we code. So for each step, we need to find the next delim, and then we need to take the substring of each one. So let's make a start, let's make a start variable, right? And we'll set it to 0, and then we'll do end, right? So this is our sort of the parameters for each substring we're going to, and n equals to the place of the next delim. Okay, so C++ has this thing called find, so we just do total.find, and we do total.find delim, right? So we want to find the delim. So right now there's two cases. One, there is a delim. So if there is a delim, okay, so if there isn't a delim, so if end already equals to -1, okay, so we need some place to store it first. So I guess it can't just be a string. So it needs to be a vector of strings. And then you need to do res, right? So so I guess it's a vector of string res, right? Honestly, I think this is a really easy problem, so I don't think. Okay, so basically what we do is res dot push back. Basically total dot substring. So we start at start, right? And then we do end minus start, right? That's the length that we're trying to do. Okay, pretty easy. Considering the case where start is not at the end of the string, which means that we have to try to find sort of the next delim. Okay, so if end already equals to -1, then we can just sort of break, right? We don't need to continue. And then I guess we do a while true loop, because I probably should have thought this thoroughly before I actually started coding, but it's not too hard. And something's not this hard. I guess it's much faster just to get it into the coding. Okay, so if the end is different, then I guess you need to okay, so I actually did this a little bit wrong. What I really mean is here, this statement needs to be here. And what I really mean here is that if n equals to -1, then we still need to execute this statement. But afterwards we break. So then I guess we do n equals to the last element. So then total dot guess minus 1, right? So is it length? Oh yeah. Then we still need to push this back, and then yeah, of course we can't just yeah, and then actually the real thing comes is if start equals to -1, then we break, right, instead of end. And then at the very end here we can do start equals to end, and then end equals to total dot find. Again, this is not a very good implementation, but it's I mean, it's just something I thought of on the fly. So okay, so sample input, I guess you do int. Oh shot, Jaden did it in a file. That's not good. I'll look at the general input. Unfortunately that's a little hard, cause like is there no, I'm gonna go look in the channel. Give me a second. I'm going to try to find the sample input. That way I can copy it into my thing. I don't really want to. Let's see. Okay, it's fine. I'll eventually just, I guess. Let me finish coding this and then I'll try to figure it out. Okay. So first we need to get n, and then it's just one line. So we do. Okay, and we forgot to declare the string, and we just do line. Then we need to split it, so we just go ahead and do vector of string song equals to split line space. And then afterwards we need to replace, we need to start doing that. Different rules, I guess we call it. So first rule is that you need to replace, you must be replaced with Kanye. I guess we can knock 3 birds with 1 stone if we just do for loop. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if, no, actually it's probably easier just to use a ternary. So what I'm gonna do here is this. So again, this might seem strange to you, but C++ strings, you can just simply do this. Yeah, and then like that. And then if it equals to U, then you want to replace it with Kanye, right? So Kanye. And then if it's not equal to U, then if it's equal to the word 22, so weird, bro. You must be replaced with Kobe. And then any word that starts with the letter W. So we can just simply do this. Lowercase that. That's good. And then we need to replace it with Wilbur. Else we just do Song of I. I know this looks horrendous, but hey, best I can do. What's going on? Expected A. Hold on, let's see. I screwed this up somewhere. Hopefully I didn't. Okay, so expected A should be fine. Probably just a small issue. And every 12th word must be replaced with don't. Okay, every 12th word must be that's actually kind of stupid. But, I mean, I guess I can just simply do this, right? So we do a I% 12 equals 0. Every 12th word. So I guess it can't just do that because that would make 0 like 1. So yeah, that's not right. Every 12th word. Alright, given, okay, let me see. I don't know about Kanye, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So after the 12th word, okay. Actually, that's easy because we can simply just do this, right? And then, nice. And then we just, pretty easy. We need to print it out like weird. Okay. I didn't do something like this, I guess. Actually, this is probably easier. Give me a second. Right, and then, nah, it's like this, and then I wrote it again. Not good. And then we just do Dylan. It's usually that's actually pretty annoying. Because, like, this is optimized for Java, so, like, doing it in C++ is actually kind of annoying. Okay, there you go. I'll probably do a live problem like this, like, every single day. Which is probably bad for, like, my time management, but whatever. I'm not even sure if... Hold on. Oh, yeah, I need to type in the whole thing. Okay, let's do this. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is actually pretty a bad idea. Know about you, but I'm... Yeah, frick this. I'm gonna go look up the song lyrics for 22. Never mind. Definitely not the same output as... Please, bruh. Okay, where is this even? Where does Jaden even get his problem? I swear I have an officer, like... I should have an officer... I should have an officer folder, but where the frick is it? Wait. I might spend more problem trying to find my officer notebook than I'm take to try to find. Okay, let's try it. This video probably takes like 5 years. Type folders. Wait. It's where is my officer stuff? I shared with me, I think. That's strange. Okay. Guess it's just time for me to type this whole entire thing, which is honestly the worst case, but the worst case scenario, but it's not too bad. Okay, let's do this. Uh-oh, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. What am I doing? Everything will be alright if you keep me next to you. You don't know me, but I'll bet you want to. Everything will be alright if we just keep dancing like we do. 22. I feel so stupid. Let me check this. Okay. Uh-oh, I don't know about you, but I'm 22 everything. Know about me, but I'll bet you. Alright, should be fine. Now let's save this. Let's run it. Probably expect some compile time error. Like syntax. Never runs first try, bruh. Oh, ran first try. Oh, oops. What went wrong? Just printed. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's debug. I don't know why this is taking me so long. It's such a stupid problem. Ooh, split function is broken. Okay. Wait, did I even get my line? Or did it just... I got 48. Oh, line was not read. Strange. Uh, hmm. Hmm. Did this even execute? So weird. What? Why is it not getting the line? Oh, frick. Did I? No, it's A dot in, A dot out. Strange. Strange. Truly strange. Let's see what happens if I do this. Yeah, I got 48. Oh, it must have like sent a line. Well, yeah, I guess I need to like exhaust the line before I can get another line. A little bit annoying, but it's fine. Okay, yeah. Got it. Should be fine now. Split function, I don't know. Ah, split function broken, okay. Bro, I hate it when it's like this, bro. Okay, looks like start never became -1. Oh, actually that makes a lot of sense since I made and equal to. Is it? Hold on, I might be sped. I might be sped here. Frick. Still not working, which is weird. It's actually really annoying. Step into shots. What's going on? I can just simply do this, I guess. Okay. Oh, frick. I'm actually stubborn. I'm actually stupid. Oh, size T starts at second one. Now it should work. Still stuck at 2. Forgot to +1. Okay, finally. Oh, I don't know. Okay, yeah. Forgot to put the comma. Swear. Why is there not like a space there? Oh, cause my don't is. Okay, I need to add a space to each of these. Uh-oh, I don't know about you, but I'm, but I, about you, but I'm, Okay, let's see what's wrong. Split should be correct. Let's see. Okay. Looks correct. Okay. Then modify. Shouldn't change anything. Where is the first about? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one. Let's see. Oh, frick. I'm actually sped. Okay. I am actually sped. Okay. Fortunately, using like a... I probably should program a macro to do... I don't know about Kanye, but, oh shot. I probably inputted the input wrong. Oops, inputted the input wrong. This is the problem with not having the actual input. It's actually kind of trash, though. Okay. Uh-oh, I don't know about Kanye, but I'm feeling Kobe. Don't Wilbur be alright if Kanye keep me next? Frick this, why am I even doing this? I'll just go, wait, I can't even copy paste. This is such a, if Kanye keep me next to Kanye, you don't know about me, but I'll bet Kanye Wilbur to everything Wilbur don't alright if Wilbur just keep dancing like Wilbur Kobe. Oh, Kobe don't. Alright, we have live solved this. Bye guys.